हेलो स्टूडेंट, ये वीडियो थोड़ी लेट है, उसके लिए माफ़ी मांगना चाहता हूँ क्योंकि मुझे कुछ दिन मेरा तबीयत कुछ दिन ख़राब हो गया था, फीवर आ गया था, तो इसलिए वीडियो थोड़ी लेट है। लेकिन कोई नहीं, अब से वीडियो हर दिन रेगुलर पहुँचेगी। रेगुलर नहीं, 1 डे के इंटरवल में वीडियो आएगी। चलिए हम लोग कंटिन्यू करते हैं जहाँ पे हम लोग छोड़े थे। ऐसा पिछला वीडियो में आप लोग देख सकते हैं, मैंने ट्रिग्नोमेट्री रेशियोज के एक्सरसाइज नंबर 10 का 1 to 16 तक क्वेश्चन मैं कुछ सॉल्व किया था और आप लोगों को बोला था कि जो सॉल्व मैं नहीं कर रहा हूँ वो आप लोग खुद से कीजिए। आप लोग जो था वो आप लोग आउट में थे, तो कुछ स्टूडेंट ने मुझे डाउट पूछा, मैंने उसके डाउट भी क्लियर किए हैं। आज हम लोग वहाँ उसका पार्ट 2 करेंगे जो क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 से शुरू होकर 35 तक है, पूरा ख़त्म कर देंगे। सो अगर आप लोग को ये वीडियो इंफॉर्मेटिव लगती है तो प्लीज़ लाइक, शेयर, कमेंट एंड डू सब्सक्राइब माय चैनल फॉर मोर वीडियोस लाइक दिस। आज हम लोग पढ़ने वाले हैं एक्सरसाइज 10 का पार्ट 2 ऑफ चैप्टर 10 है RS अग्रवाल का, जो है ट्रिग्नोमेट्रिक रेशियोज। ठीक है, तो हम लोग क्वेश्चन नंबर 16 तक कर चुके हैं, तो हम लोग करेंगे उसके आगे। तो उसके आगे मुझे एक टिकी क्वेश्चन दिख रहा है, क्वेश्चन नंबर 19। आइए उसको एक बार सॉल्व कर लेते हैं। क्वेश्चन बोलता है इफ tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू a/b so that a sin theta minus b cos theta divided by a sin theta plus b cos theta is equal to a square minus b square divided by a square plus b square. ओके, इट इज वेरी इजी। मैं आपको सॉल्व करके दिखाता हूँ। तो हम लोग को मालूम है tan थीटा इज इक्वल टू a/b। सो हम लोग को पता हो गया tan थीटा क्या था। tan थीटा वाज परपेंडिकुलर अपॉन बेस, थीटा बेस परपेंडिकुलर हाइपोटेन्यूस। तो p/b हम लोग को a/b मालूम हो गया। तो अगर हम लोग मान लेते इसको ये a है और ये b है तो हाइपोटेन्यूस निकल जाएगा h इज इक्वल टू √a स्क्वायर माइनस b स्क्वायर, सॉरी a स्क्वायर प्लस b स्क्वायर। ओके, यह हम लोग को मालूम चलिए। अब हम लोग निकाल देते हैं sin थीटा cos थीटा की, वही दोनों दिया हुआ क्वेश्चन में। तो sin थीटा इज इक्वल टू हाइपोटेन्यूस अपॉन perpendicular upon hypotenuse and cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is equal to perpendicular is equal to a upon √a square plus b square and cos theta is equal to b upon √a square plus b square. Then we will put all the values in that. What is the question? A sin theta minus b cos theta, it is left hand side, divided by a sin theta plus b cos theta. Putting the values of cos theta and sin theta, then a into a upon √a square plus b square minus b into b √a square plus b square divided by a into a upon √a square plus b square plus b into b by √a square plus b square, which will be a square minus b square upon √a square plus b square divided by a square plus b square root over a square plus b square. This cancel, then we got a square minus b square by a square plus b square. We will continue this in next. See, we have a square minus b square upon a square plus b square. We have formula a square minus b square is equal to a plus b into a minus b. So we will hide that here, but why we will write? This is only the answer. See, we have to prove this equal to a square minus b square by a square plus square, a square minus b square by a square plus b square. We have proved. This is RHS, hence proved. Very easy. You have to just put the value of sin theta and cos theta from the given data. Given data is tan theta equal to a upon b. We have taken out trigonometry ratio from that sin theta and cos theta's value. Then we have put the value of sin theta and cos theta, and we get the result as we wanted. Simple. Okay. Now we will move on to next difficult question. Then next difficult question maybe question number 20. It is very easy. In question number 20, it is given tan theta. 3 tan theta is equal to 4. We have to just do tan theta is equal to 4 upon 3. Now we have come upon triangle that is perpendicular upon base perpendicular 4k, base 3k, and hypotenuse we will find out 5k it will come, and we will find out sin theta and cos theta, and then we will put and we will get the answer. If you will not, if by chance the answer will not come, then you will tell to me in the comment section. I will give you the solution properly. Okay, now here is question number 24, in which hint is given, so I am not solving that. So the next question will be question number 26. I think that is interesting, and from 26 you can solve question number 25 also. So question number 26. In the given triangle, angle C is 90. In a triangle ABC, angle C is equal to 90 degree. Okay, no problem. Angle ABC is theta. Angle ABC is equal to theta. It means angle B is theta. Then we got BC is 21 unit. Okay. AB 29 unit. Okay. And we have to prove that, means for that cos square theta minus sin square theta is equal to 41 upon 841. Okay, just wait and watch. I will solve it in very simple. Okay, so first of all we will make that triangle as given in the question. Triangle ABC, angle C at 90 degree and angle B as theta. If we will take this theta, then this is B, this is C because 90 degree, and so this will be A. So ABC triangle made. BC given 21, BC 21, AB 29, AB 29. We have to find out AC, which is perpendicular. So it will be perpendicular square is equal to hypotenuse square minus base square. Am I right? Yes. Then we will find perpendicular is equal to square of 29. So the square of 29 is 841 minus the square of 21, that is 441, all root over, which is equal to 400. Am I right? 400, which is root over, which is 20. Okay, so we got perpendicular as 20. So we got all the values of trigonometry ratio. We only need cos and sine. So cos theta is equal to base upon hypotenuse, that is 21 upon 29, and sine theta will be perpendicular upon hypotenuse, which is 20 upon 29. If we can solve in also another way, like cos square theta is a square and sine square theta is b square, then a square minus b square is a plus b into a minus b. So we can write cos theta plus sine theta into cos theta minus sine theta. It will be easy. Now putting the value of cos theta and sine theta, 21 by 29 plus 20 by 29 and into 21 by 29 minus 20 by 29. Okay, so 21 plus 20 which will be 241 into 29 base 21 minus 1, which is 41 upon 841. Hence, oh sorry, by mistake it was not showing. We have just simplified it. This is plus sign minus sign multiply, just put the value of cos theta and sin theta from this side, and we got this into this, hence proved. In question it was given to prove that's equal to this, and we have proved it. Okay, we will move on to, now you can solve the question number 25, 26 and 27. Okay, we will move to question number 28. Is also very simple. We have sin alpha, then we can, question number 28, that is very easy. It is given sin alpha is half, then we can, from a triangle 1 upon 2, we can find out this will be also 1, no, this will be root 3. So we can find, and by putting value we can get the values. And question number 9 is also same to same, that is also easy. We have given the value of tan theta, just we have to find the value of all theta and put it. Now I want to come on the question number 34, which you will think is tricky. 33 and 34 will be solved in the next videos. If you have problem till question number 29, then please comment and ask your doubt. Otherwise, today we have only this much to show, and if my videos are little bit informative, then please do like, comment, please comment your doubt. If you would comment your doubt, I will be very happy to see your doubts, and then share with your friends who are who need this type of information, because of online classes all a little mess up. And please take care of yourself and be happy. Thank you.